Hey guys, welcome back. Today on the desk we have the Timex Dual Tech. This is I think a lot of people call this a stranger than fiction watch. I've got fingerprints on it. I've been messing around with it, trying to get a band on it. I just don't have a band that will fit it quite right. I did find a couple of spring bars that are close. This one's kind of stuck in there. I'm gonna have to work to get that one out. I can't even really get any of my 18 millimeter NATO bands on this. I was kind of hoping just to get a band on it to wear it around. Let me flip my camera and show you. This is kind of a sought after watch. If you look, this is a current eBay listing. Now this one has the box documentation, original packaging, everything, and this one's going for $457. Doesn't even have it on best offer. It doesn't look like so he's calling it new without tags. But I've had one of these before with the metal band and everything all intact, and I sold that one. I want to say it was $300 or so. So they are sought after watches. It has the digital background along with the analog hands. I think that's why they call it the Dual Tech. As you can see right here. Sorry, I'm pointing at it and had it on the wrong camera. But I've got so many cameras, I don't know which one to look at. But it is a new setup. We have the desktop cam here. But yeah, you can see it's got a scratched up crystal, so it's not in the best shape. I could probably polish that out some more, but it is a highly sought after watch and it is in working condition. So I'm gonna see if I can dig through all my stash of old watches and see if I can find a band that will actually fit this. I'd love to find a metal band, but it has this unique curve, as you can see. Let me flip my camera back. As you can see right there, that's going to take an original band probably to make that look right. I tried a sport band. That was a fail. It was for a G-Shock. It just couldn't quite get in far enough to engage the spring bar. So still working on it. As you can see, it has all the normal digital buttons on the side and also a crown to set the analog. So anyway, guys, just a quick update on this one. Let me know what you think I should do on this one. Should I just sell it as it is and just say forget it? I don't know. Let me know. I did replace the batteries and all this on this one, and that's where we're at. Anyway, guys, let me know. Leave a comment. There you are. We'll see you next time.